viewers. Thumbnail, you must have guessed what my today's topic will be. Yes, it is reacting to BTS hate slash mean comments or posts. So those who do not have any idea of who BTS is, let me just explain that it is one of the most famous and successful K-pop boy bands now all over the world. So as you all know, or even if you don't, let me say I am an ARMY. Okay, so I just went into social media and dug up a few hate comments. Okay, I didn't even read them properly, but I just searched them about the hate comments and I got a lot of whole list of posts like that. So even though BTS is so successful, they are hated way too much just because of their looks, and they are questioned of their masculinity, which is total rubbish. Okay, so without talking so much, let's just go into the video and read the comments. Okay, armies, I need your attendance over here. Okay, so here is the first one which I got. Ew, I stepped in shit. Oh, is the admin here? Talent King, he can't even saying live though. It's good that he didn't get much lines on TTU. If not, he'll be laughing stock of BTS antis. The only thing he have is the visual. His voice is annoying. He is famous only because he's a member of BTS. Hashtag Taeyong leave BTS drama creator. I've been saying that BTS would be off as so much better if Taeyong wasn't a part of him. And his stance are the core reason for all the bad things and negativity surrounding of fandom. Okay, so the first thing that came to my mind after reading this is, firstly, none of the BTS member is popular just because of his visuals, and none of the BTS member have that irritating or sore voice, I think, according to me. And secondly, a lot of armies, okay, each and every army has their own bias. But what I personally feel is that having a bias does not mean hating other members. Okay, I've seen a lot of people who call themselves army, but they aren't so, who enjoy hating BTS, other members of the BTS, which is totally unfair. And this post, I mean, this is a total piece of shit. I don't know how to react to this. Okay, why? I mean, why? Kyun? Matlab, kuch bhi, huh? Okay, so I have got one other one. We say South Korea deserves to get nuked for unleashing estrogen pumped femboys that shouldn't dance to trust music and they lip sing and don't actually sing or write themselves while on slave contracts, which is literally modern slavery, save a life by not giving this man's attention. Okay, the first thing that I would react to this is, neither do this sing trash, neither do the dance trash. Okay, they are far more better dancer than any professional dancer, which I feel. And their lip sync, I don't think so that they lip sync. I mean, they write their own lyrics and they sing their own song. There's no point to this post. Okay, so I'm keeping this video real simple. I'm not reacting in a real toxic way that a army would react. I'm just putting up the facts that people nowadays have a misunderstanding about them. I have seen a lot of people criticizing them, and the only reason is their looks maybe, and people are jealous, I say you. Okay, so hashtag BTS 10 million album sales. BTS and K-pop is ruining the world. We need to stop this gay and trash music industry. Who needs to stop BTS? Who needs to stop making music? Korea. I mean, again, this gay thing. I mean, I am so damn sick of this. I mean, they do not have beards. That doesn't make them a gay. I mean, this is a total insult to the LGBT community, I guess. I mean, this is total trash. I mean, this post is total. Does people really find this attractive? Why? Why not? I am finding this attractive. What? Armies, don't you think this is attractive? I find this attractive. He looks cute. What's wrong with it? I feel like laughing at this post. Oh god, the people here are so dumb. I'm so sick of this. So next one we have is Miss Korea 2019, Miss Korea 2020. Okay, so I am the most hated man in USA. Oh, you must be. I am the world's hated man. We're the most hated mans on internet. What? Shut the fuck up, please. We're talking about man. Again, the same thing. Okay, so the first thing is the admin of this post, I mean whoever posted this, do not have any knowledge what's going on in the world, because they are saying that they're the most hated mans on internet. I have nothing to say. And this second thing I've already explained, like the LGBT community, you are insulting them by saying all those things. I don't think I should be saying anything else. So you've got another one on the same thing. So the name of one god student's BTS. Who is BTS student god, please? Oh my god, this needs to be stopped real soon. This is not acceptable in any way. I mean, how? What do these people have in mind while posting all this? I'm not reacting in a toxic way. I'm just reacting for the fact that why do they use this particular word to describe them? Like, why? The dog is okay, be aware of owner. The dog and the owner. Okay, that's Yontan, I see. Okay, thanks to Isha, you said me who Yontan is. Okay, now I know him, so I can see Yontan here. And the owner. Yes, that's we. So what am I supposed to make out of this meme? That we need to be aware of the owner? Yes, of course we need to be aware because he is killing us at every fucking moment. Okay. Okay, so we have got here Justin Bieber at the age of 25. I like Justin Bieber. Jane at the age of 27. Okay. Actually, he's 28. Because beards don't grow on practice. Oh, what am I supposed to say? Beards don't grow on plastic. I mean, is it so much necessary for males to have beards? And if they do not have any beards, they aren't males. Where do these people come from? I mean, why? Dear BTS haters, please respect them. I owe them my life. Last year, August, I had been in coma for 6 months. Then, one day, my nurse turned up on the radio to this song, so I woke up and turned it off. Salute, ma'am. So you should thank BTS, na? That they actually saved your life. Gosh, I'm so sick of reading this, but I can't just stop laughing. Okay, I need to just. It's my job to respect my son's opinion. Dad, yes, my dear son, I love BTS. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, this I can totally relate. Okay, I feel that this is the only meme by which I'm not really offended till now. Okay, because I can relate to this. I mean, I'm sure that every army out there can relate to this meme well and good. Okay. मेरे बाप का वेस्ट मुझे अभी उड़ा दे. Okay, so we have got a comparison over here. It's a comparison between BTS and Manoj Tiwari. Who is Manoj Tiwari? I don't know. Okay, so what you have got is famous Bhojpuri singer, not a Bhojpuri singer. Of course, V is not a Bhojpuri singer. Neither is any of the BTS member. They are a K-pop boy band, member of Indian Parliament, only Korean citizen. Yeah, okay, that's cool that he is a member of Indian Parliament. You don't expect BTS to be a member of Indian Parliament, do you? International Bhojpuri Film Award Grammy nominated only. Okay. I feel like laughing my ass off. I tell you guys, Rinkia ke papa lover probably doesn't like him. What? Doesn't give a fuck about the meme posted on him. Don't give a fuck about the meme posted on them. Huh? I didn't understand the last one, guys. I don't understand. It's the comparison, it's the similarity I feel. Why would BTS give a F about a meme posted on them? Because they are least concerned about this. You can stop me loving myself. Oh my god. Okay, this is the last one I've got here. Okay, that's enough of torture for me today. I can't take this anymore. So it's again a comparison between BTS and our Yo-Yo Honey Singer. Okay, so what we have got is can drink over 4 bottles of vodka every day, probably not even of the legal age to drink alcohol. घर में गए थे क्या? देख के आए हो? I mean, what the hell is this? Okay, has made Neha Kakkar, has never even seen Neha Kakkar. How do you expect BTS to see Neha Kakkar? I mean, how? Is there any point behind this point? So we can also say that Honey Singh has never met, Nicki Minaj or Hasley. Anybody, like... Fans consist of mature music connoisseurs who appreciate lyrical hip-hop. Fans consist of mature 15-year-old girls with zero to little music listening experience. So I am a 15-year-old girl basically, whereas I am 18. But according to this post, I'm a 15-year-old girl and I have zero to little music knowledge. Okay, so all the fangirls and fanboys out there of BTS, they have zero to little music knowledge. Okay, and Honey Singh lovers have a hell lot of knowledge, I say you. Most fans relate to his songs. Most fans don't even understand most of their songs. Okay, so I've heard this a lot of times. People ask me, and not me, I have seen this, that they say, even my mom does, that you don't even understand what they are saying. Then how do you enjoy their music? So I would like to say that music is all about the tune. It's not about the word or the lyrics. It doesn't matter if you're understanding the lyrics or not. If you are, if you feel pleased with the tune, that's all that counts. Okay, and I am sure that most of the fangirls out there, even if they don't understand the lyrics, they feel pleased with the tune and the language, the way they speak, and everything, their accent, their dance, and visuals, and everything is of top notch. Okay, and the next thing, self-made man, industry plant. नेपोटिज्म हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Multiple sold out concerts in India, 0 concerts in India. BTS didn't come to India, but we all wish that they would come to India, and that's a lame point, I guess. 5 PTC Punjabi awards, 0 PTC Punjabi nominations. This was another hilarious post that I got. I mean, what do you expect to BTS to win a PTC Punjabi nomination? BTS, I mean, are you sure of it? I don't know, the admin must be drunk at the time of... Okay guys, that's a hell lot of torture already, and I can't take this anymore. And if I, although I want to, but if I keep continue making this anymore, the video would become a hell long, and I don't want that. So let's just end the video here. And if you guys want a second part of this video, or anything else that you want to suggest me, you feel free to please comment down. And armies out there, do give a like, and the non-armies too, if you feel that I have reacted in a mature way and not in a toxic way, then also give a like and subscribe if you want to. Also press the ghanti beside it, because if you don't, you won't get any of my latest updates, and share if you want to. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay in your homes. It's a critical situation, and I hope it will be over real soon. Stay strong. Bye bye. Annyeong.